Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in Dollar Tree, and you remember the caddies that I just found recently by Zach? Well, look at what I see today. These are the saucy dressing and sauce servers. So I see these, and they come in two colors, either green or red, and they have the flip top. So you can put like your salad dressing. It says use with thick dressings like blue cheese and Thousand Island. So I am going to get like 3 of these. And then right here I see these Cravings Spongies, cream filled sponge cake. It's basically a Twinkie. I did see the yellow ones too at a different store. So they have both chocolate and the yellow cake, and there's 5 of them in here. Over here I see some new socks. I see these with the ice creams on them, and you get 2 pairs. I like those stripes right there. So I see, let's see, ice cream. I see the watermelon that says 1 in a melon. There's the pizza. These super cute, look like cups, like frappuccinos. They're upside down, and they have hearts on them. You get that pair. What else did I just see? There's some donuts right there, and also some tacos. Right here I see these Trail Best snacks to go, and it comes with beef steak in there. I see some raisins. There's the steak in there, and then some sunflower seeds or kernels, and it says 9 grams of protein. Yeah, 1.8 ounces. They still have, now last time I showed you guys these, they had a bunch of them, so they're selling these kind of quick. These are the every holder jewelry holders with the 6 pockets on them, and those were the 2 colors that I showed you. I see some new scunchie ponytail holders with these little pearls on them. Those are kind of cool. You get 2 in a pack. I see that blue and I see gray, and then that one back there is like burgundy and pink. And they even have some Conair bobby pins. These are really big too. These are the big ones. You get 15 of them, and I see brown, so brown and black. Okay, I still see the Pantene shampoo. I have yet to see the conditioner. Has anybody found the conditioner to that? Because I haven't seen it. They still have a few of the L'Oreal Colorista Clear Mixer. I know I'm doing this video backwards. I usually start the other way, but today I started in the kitchen section. I don't know. The store was kind of busy, so I started walking the other way. This is cute. Shimmer and Shine 2-in-1 shampoo in Strawberry Sparkle. And it's Nickelodeon, and then they have a hair detangler. Those are so cute. 8 fluid ounces, and this one smells like cotton candy. Oh, look at these. It's Spa Soap Ocean Breeze Foaming Soap. It says deep cleanses and moisturizes, and it's 16.9 fluid ounces, and it has that foam pump. They restocked these little brush buddies. So you got Hot Wheels, and it's the toothbrush, the cup, and then the thing that goes on the, you know, the top of the brush to cover it. So Hot Wheels, Barbie, and I think those are the only 2 I see. Oh, that's kind of cool. So you put the soap in there, and then when you're washing, let me see, when you're washing you can, oh okay, squeeze that and the soap will come out and it'll brush them like that. That's kind of cool. I don't need one because I take my dog to the groomers, but that's pretty cool. So I see purple and green. Okay, this is my first time seeing the fruit in a long time. Whenever they bring this back, they always sell the lemons like super fast. So these are gonna go fast, but they have lemons, apples, red apples, green apples. And you know this is a good deal when you can get these for $1. And they have oranges. I think I still have like, I think I bought like 10 of these like last year or the year before. Oh, look at these cute wall hooks. Okay, I like those. They got that little thing that you can hang. Let me see, how does the back look? Okay, it has a little hanging thing back there for you to put on the wall. So I see that one. This one right here. That one. They are all cute too. I see a unicorn. There's a cute little mermaid girl. Oh Lord, is that a llama or an alpaca? And that one. And I think that may be it. And let's see, I showed you guys the decorative balls already. I really like this one. These new, I don't remember seeing this one. Be a unicorn in a field of horses, the little wood box. Let's see what other ones are up here. Okay, I'm on my tippy toes. Have a beautiful day with the elephants. This one says good morning. And then look at that one. Simplify your life. And it's kind of like 3D. That's cute. Okay, so now I'm over by the books, and of course I'm going to scan through them. All dogs go to Kevin. Everything 3 dogs taught me. The Atlantis Complex. My dog Skip. I do it with the lights on. Oh, you know what? I remember hearing about this book. So that's kind of cool that it's in here. At 340 pounds, I was only just beginning to believe such a thing was possible. Okay, yeah, I remember hearing about that. That's cool. They got a bunch of stuff. Baby's first year. A complete illustrated guide for your child's first 12 months. Oh, that's cute. That would be cute. Okay, yeah, I bought this one already. RFK Jr., Robert F. Kennedy Jr., and the Dark Side of the Dream. Oh, interesting. Okay, I'm not going to spend too much time over here. A fine imitation. They brought back some more of the coloring books. The Ultimate Coloring Book of Mandalas. Stressless Coloring Mandalas. Imagine, Color, and Create. And yeah, that's it. Right here I see these snap closure envelopes. Now they've had the envelopes, but I've never seen them with the cute little pictures on them. And these are Jot brand, and you get 2 in a pack. And I also see this one right here, which I think is really pretty. Look at that. There's this one, and I think that was the only one. Oh no, and then there was this one right here. Super cute, but I think these 2 are my favorite. And I recently showed you guys the Spring On collection. It looks like they're selling out of the High Shine lip gloss. There's the lipsticks again, and then the Flavorites. Is it? Yeah, Flavorites, the lip balms. And then look at right here, they got some Toy Story 4 characters. This is Bo Peep. I also see Rex. And I see Buzz. And they also have Woody. Okay, you guys, so I am at the end of the store, the other end of the store, and this is where the patriotic stuff was. So I'm going to get out of here with my basket full of goodies. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Okay, bye.